Now we will see class 12 macroeconomics unit 2 chapter 2 money and banking exam oriented questions with answers. Very short answers type questions 1 mark. What are demand deposit? Demand deposits refers to the deposits which are repayable by the banks on demand. Demand deposits refers to those deposits which are repayable by the banks on demand. Define cash reserve ratio. This refers to the proportion of total deposit of the commercial bank which they must keep as cash reserves with the central bank. Define money supply. Money supply refers to the total volume of money held by public at a particular point of time in an economy. State the components of money supply. 1. The currency with public in bracket coins and notes. 2. Demand deposits with the commercial banks. Define bank rate. Bank rate is the rate at which the central bank of the country lends the money to the commercial banks to meet their long-term needs. What is central bank? Central bank is an apex body that controls and operates and regulates and directs the entire banking and monetary structure of the country. Central bank is an apex body that controls, operates, regulates and directs the entire banking and monetary structure of the country. Short answer type questions 3 to 4 marks. Explain the banker's bank function of central bank. Answer. As the banker to the banks, the central bank holds a part of the cash reserves of the commercial banks. From these reserves, it lends to commercial banks when they are in need of funds. Central bank also provides a check clearing and remittance facility to the commercial banks. Explain the issue function of the central bank. The central bank is the sole authority for the issues of currency in the country. It promotes efficiency in the financial system. It leads to uniformity in the issues of currency and it gives the central bank control over money supply. Question number 3. Explain the government's bank functions of central bank. Answer. A central bank conducts the banking account of the government departments. It performs the same banking functions for the government as the commercial bank performs for its customers. It accepts their deposits and undertakes their interbank transfer. It also gives the loans to the government. A central bank also provides various services as the agent of the government. It manages public debt. It also gives the advice to the government regarding the money market, capital market, government loans and economic policy matters. Long question type question. 6 marks. What do you mean by credit or money creation? Explain the process of money creation by the commercial banks with the help of a numerical example. Money creation is a process in which the commercial bank creates total deposits many times the initial deposits. The capacity of the commercial bank to create the demands on two factors. One is the amount of initial fresh deposit. 2. The legal reserves ratio LRR. Money multiplier is equal to 1 by LRR. Money creation is equal to initial deposit into money multiplier. Working, suppose 1. The initial deposit rupees 1000. 2. LRR is equal to 20%. As required, the bank keeps 20%, that is rupees 200 as a cash reserves, and the lend remaining rupees 800. Those who borrow use the money for making the payments. As assumed, those who receive these payments put the money back into their bank accounts. This creates a fresh deposit of rupees 800. The bank again keep 20%, that is rupees 160, and lent rupees 640. In this way, the money goes on multiplying, leading to the total money creation of rupees 5,000. Money creation is equal to initial deposit into 1 by LRR is equal to 1000. 1 divided by 0.2 is equal to rupees 5,000. Thank you. Sharing is caring. Comment your thoughts. Subscribe for more knowledge.